Hey guys, welcome to another Bitter Butter Render Blender tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create realistic grass in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so first what we're going to have to do is add a plane and scale it up to have it as a base emitter for our grass. Then we're going to go over here in the particle properties, add a new particle system and name it something like grass. And now what you're going to want to do is instead of making it an emitter object, we're going to have to make it a hair, and we're going to change the density to something around 50,000 and the hair length to something around 0.3 meters, which is 30 centimeters. Now, since you can see that these strands of hair are very uniform, we have to make them a little more random, just like grass. So you can do that by going over here in the advanced settings, scroll down until you find physics, and over here change the branding to something around 0.15, which I found to look good. Now, the higher value you go, the more random the strands get. And now we're gonna have to add a texture to it, and we can do that by going into the material properties, and obviously you can add a normal texture and change the color to a more darker green shade, and this is how it looks in cycles. But you can always add a image texture and open up a image of a top or bird's eye view of grass and apply it to that, which gives it a more realistic look. And this is how this looks in a cycles rendered view. Okay, that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you learned how to create realistic grass in Blender. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and the notification button so you don't miss out on other tutorials just like this. And I'll see you in the next one.